In this video, we are going to make a powerful spray that not only nourishes your plants, but also strengthens them against diseases. It offers great protection against pest attacks and is easy to make, transforming the way you care for your garden. This natural spray is gentle on your plants, safe for the environment, and very effective in keeping harmful bugs away. After trying this homemade solution, you won't feel the need to buy expensive chemical sprays again. We'll be using orange peels, something many people throw away without realizing how valuable they are. Orange peels are full of natural oils that repel pests. Their strong smell confuses and scares away many soft-bodied insects like aphids, whiteflies, and spider mites. They also help fight fungal infections. One of the best things about this spray is that it does not harm beneficial insects like ladybugs or bees, which are crucial for pollination and plant health. First, gather some orange peels. You can collect them from the oranges you eat daily. Fresher peels work better. Take a container and fill it with hot water, making sure it's very warm but not boiling. Tear the peels into smaller pieces and drop them into the water. Let them soak for about 30 minutes. During this time, the water will cool down, and the oils from the peels will infuse into the water. After the water has cooled, remove the peels from the container. Instead of throwing them away, squeeze each piece over the water to extract any remaining juice and essential oils. The strong smell you'll notice is a good sign. Next, strain the liquid through a strainer or clean cloth into a spray bottle. This step is important to remove any solid pieces so the spray bottle doesn't get clogged. Now, add 4 tablespoons of mild dishwashing soap to the liquid. Ensure the soap does not contain bleach or harsh chemicals. The soap helps the spray stick to the leaves and also works by breaking down the outer layer of soft-bodied insects. After adding the soap, close the spray bottle and shake it well to mix everything properly. Your natural orange peel spray is now ready to use. Spray it generously on your plant leaves, covering both the top and underside. It's best to apply it every few days or after it rains. Early morning or late evening is the ideal time to spray, as the sun is not too strong and won't harm the leaves. Avoid spraying during the heat of the day. This spray serves multiple purposes. It protects plants from sucking pests that damage the leaves and weaken the plant. It also helps keep ants and mosquitoes away from your garden area. The antibacterial and antifungal properties of orange oils help prevent common plant diseases like powdery mildew and black spots. Meanwhile, the mild soap cleans the leaves, helping them breathe better and absorb more sunlight. Using orange peels like this benefits both your plants and the environment by reducing kitchen waste. Instead of discarding the peels, you give them a new life in your garden, embracing a natural gardening approach where simple kitchen items turn into powerful garden products. Many gardeners have noticed a remarkable difference after using this spray. Their plants look healthier, the leaves become shiny, pests disappear, and overall growth improves. It is safe to use on vegetables, herbs, flowers, and even indoor plants. You can also spray it around the base of plants to deter crawling pests from reaching the stems. If you want more ideas for natural fertilizers, sprays, and gardening tips, make sure to check out the other videos on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, share this with your gardening friends, and hit the like button.